This is NETSKY and we're at Hospitality Under the Radar Ministry of Sound Easter Special, absolutely slamming.
Yo, this is Dynamite MC, one of the best parties I know, trust me. Anytime they want me, I'm here. NERO. I just played the 4 till 5 set and it was absolutely banging. Under the radar, deep under, just so deep. Big shout out to all the Under the Radar crew. Can't even see it, UFO business.
Yo, this is SKREAM and BENGA, you're Under the Radar.
But I still let it
Kano in the building, Under the Radar, MISTAJAM, old type D double floating about somewhere.
And thanks for everyone coming, and make sure next time you see Under the Radar, you gotta get there.
Yo, this is EKSMAN, we're keeping it under the radar. And if you missed this event, you missed out. Make sure you get to the next one. Big up all the Under the Radar family. Peace, love and respect 2010. Blah! Under the Radar.